how to edit a database table via phpMyAdmin in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click the phpMyAdmin. On the left sidebar, there are databases. Click on the database you want to edit. The selected database expands in the right pane. Now click to select the table you want to edit. All the values of the selected table are displayed here. Now click the Edit button of that particular row which you want to edit. For example, to change the blog name, click this Edit button. To change the blog name, delete and type the new name. Now click the Go button of this text editor. Notice that the blog name has been changed. Similarly, you can edit other entries of different tables and databases. Thank you for watching.